This brand is a part of Train Technologies and the units are only sold through a dealer network in the USA. The brand offers basic packaged heat pumps that are designed for the price-conscious large homebuilding company market, and the warranty is not as good as many of the other brands. They use a slotted metal jacket to protect the condenser coil from damage, which is cheaper to make but not as good as louvered panel construction, and R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The J4PH4 models have a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and offers an optional electric heat kit in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts for supplemental electrical heating. The units can only be used in horizontal applications, and the brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.